Do you ever just get in the car right after it's been cleaned and just be like, wow, it smells so good. I love it. Well, we have a clean car. It is the cleanest, like I said before, the cleanest you'll ever see it. Welcome back, guys, to today's video. I have a sort of a different one today. It's going to be another unboxing. If y'all like these unboxings, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, do all those good things for me. If you're all new to the channel, welcome to the channel. We post videos every week. So I'm doing every Thursday right now. It may change, it may not, we'll see. But I post videos every week. I'm not gonna show you all yet what we have to unbox. That's gonna be a little bit of a surprise, but you all will see here in just a second. So we're gonna head to the farm and I'll see you all there. Are you ever just driving like your clean car and just like, you're looking at your car and you don't want to eat anything or drink anything? You tell yourself you're not gonna drink or eat anything for like ever again, basically. Well, I tell myself that every time and it never happens, because here I have a coffee in the car. Like, I'm trying to stay awake for you all. I've got a cool video like coming up here in just a second. So don't click off the video. You all are not gonna wanna miss this. You all are definitely not gonna wanna miss this. And hit that subscribe button and that bell icon. I've got some really neat stuff on the way. A lot of cool stuff. Like, I'm so excited to show you all. I wish I could show you all right now, but oh man, you all are gonna have to wait for that one. Just make sure you hit that bell icon and you will get notified. Oh, I love that thing. That is just like the dumbest little thing I've ever bought probably for this car. It just sits on the dash and stares at me. We just have staring contests sometimes and I'm just like, I'm gonna win one day. One day I will win the staring contest, but for now, I just don't think I can beat him, unfortunately. So, yeah. One day it'll happen. If you're in the Lexington area and if you ever go out at 5 o'clock, or you're coming home from work or doing whatever at 5 o'clock, traffic, guys, traffic. And then carbon fiber, of course. And yes, I know I said that the carbon fiber mirror caps were coming. They still are coming, just stay tuned. They will be here soon. The weather changed so fast on me that it got too cold to be able to wrap them in the cold. I need somewhere that is warm, and my shop doesn't have power, as you all know, so that was not an option. But it is coming. Just stay tuned. It will be here soon. We're stuck in traffic again, so we're gonna get through this traffic, get to the farm, and just get this unboxing going. Like, just stay tuned. You all will not be let down, so I'll see you all there. Boy. Well, here it is. A Damason exercise bike. Well, we're gonna be putting this bike together. Do I know what I'm doing? No. So, let's start. So I have no clue, but this, I I don't know. Because I thought you lay it flat down, but apparently not. So we got the bike here, so we have to apparently tension something here. So we have to tension the, something by this. I don't know. We're figuring it out as we go. Alright, so we have her apart. We've got tensioner, we've got the wheel, which looks really nice. I love this wheel, man. It looks so nice, man. Then we've got something right here. I don't know what that is. That must be part of the wheel tensioner. Got a lot of parts here. Next step is to put the adjustment legs on here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but putting these 2 feet on. We've got the wheels on the front and the adjusters on the back. Let's get it. Same for the back. So let's go ahead and get these back ones on. So those are adjustment wheels, adjusting the foot cover. Adjustment wheel can adjust the balance of the bike. Gotcha. We're working with as the next step is the seat. Yes, seat. So we've got the seat right there. So we got the seat on, got the feet on. Next is going to be getting this handlebar on. So we got this piece right here. And it will go in just like, I think, yeah, just like this. So you see the holes right here, hole right there. Those are just going to line up. Tighten all that down. Got that on. Next step is the looks like the little thingy, whatever it's called, thingy. I don't know. Something. Cool. Let's go. So it must be in here. So we got here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Ooh. Looks like this thing just slides right on here though. So this thing will just slide right on there somehow. So put you all up in a prime OG spot here. We've got right and left. So we're gonna go ahead and put this right one on here. And it's saying do something. Screw the pedal with right in this direction. So it's saying go righty tighty, lefty loosey basically. So now we're gonna do left side. Got the right side and now we're gonna do left side. Let's do this. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Demassen spin bike. Guys, I'm ready to get a workout in. Good thing we have this fan here for that. We're definitely using it. Whew. All right, I feel so out of shape. Well guys, this is going to conclude today's video. If you all like these unboxings, let me know down in the comments. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon. Sorry guys, I'm out of breath right now. We've got a lot of videos up and coming. Actually, one is going live here soon. So be sure to hit that bell icon so you can get notified when that goes live. But again, if you all like these kind of videos, let me know down below. I appreciate y'all's support, comment, feedback, all that good stuff. So can't wait for the next video, and I will see you all then.